Meaning of ionosphere.
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 Ionosphere. The ionosphere is a layer of Earth's atmosphere that begins at an altitude of about 60 kilometers and extends to the edge of space, around 1,000 kilometers above the surface. It is so named because it is ionized by solar radiation, and contains a high concentration of ions and free electrons. The ionosphere plays an important role in telecommunications and radio communication as it reflects certain radio waves back down to Earth, allowing for long-distance communication. It also influences the propagation of GPS signals and affects the behavior of satellites orbiting the Earth.